Hello kids! Today we are learning I am action sentences. चलो शुरू करते हैं. I am eating. He is eating. I am drinking. He is drinking milk. I am sleeping. She is sleeping. I am walking. They are walking. I am running. They are running. I am jumping. They are jumping. I am dancing. She is dancing. I am singing. She is singing. I am clapping. She is clapping. I am reading. He is reading. I am playing. They are playing. I am drawing. She is drawing. I am swimming. He is swimming. I am writing. She is writing. I am crying. He is crying. I am washing. He is washing hands. I am waving. They are waving. I am helping. She is helping. I am smiling. She is smiling. I am brushing. They are brushing.